Hey kids, welcome back. Just want to show you these cookies here. I don't know if anyone knows about this, but they come with a free sewing kit apparently. And we got this for the Christmas holidays, a bunch of other things like chocolate. So yeah, there's actually only one more cookie left in here. And yeah, these are the classic tins that you see. Yeah, they're actually premium cookies. Alright, let's open it up. Yeah, like I said, there's only one cookie left in there. There we go. Yeah, and yeah, the instructions are in there, of course. Yeah, I got the last cookie, so that, it says, free sewing kit when you eat the last cookie. Please close lid to proceed. So we'll see what happens with that. Alright, the last cookie. You can see that's it. People give these away after they're done with it. I don't know, they end up in thrift shops and complete with the sewing kit. I don't know why they want to keep that thing anyway. But yeah, eat the last cookie, and I don't know. Let's see what happens. All right. Yeah, the instructions are there. So, well, all right. Just gonna close the lid and hope for the best. All right. I don't know what kind of sewing kit I'm gonna get, so we'll just leave it over here overnight. I think that's all. Hi kids, welcome back. So I left the tin there overnight, and it actually has some weight to it though. Yeah, we're gonna see what's going on here. All right, let me pan the camera down. All right, and here we go. We're gonna open this thing. Oh man, they left it on tight. Look at that, it worked. Oh man. Look at that. Yeah, look at, wow. Here, let me zoom into that thing. Show you guys. It's a smaller kit than normal. I guess I only started sewing. That's why they just sent me a small kit for it. But yeah, I think if you're advanced, then they'll send you a bigger one. But this is like a beginner's set, it looks like. See what's in there. There's like there's a couple of starter threads in there, and then a couple of needles in there, scissors. It's actually true. You gotta eat all the cookies though, make sure you get all the crumbs, because I remember one of my friends, they tried this, but they actually left crumbs in there, so it didn't work. I think there was only like a thread in there, that's all. Yeah, it was terrible though. But yeah, finish the cookies, cover it, and then leave it overnight. That's it. But yeah, I think, yeah, there's probably different companies that make these tins. That's all, folks. It works, and alright, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you kids later. Bye.